Congratulations to all of you for winning these prizes. We thank you all for your sincerity that you have shown on online teaching. Stay connected with us the same way, with the same spirits, till the time you all are not physically coming to school. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay at home. Protect yourself. God bless you all.
हेलो बच्चों, सभी विनर्स को पूरे FGGI फैकल्टी, पूरे स्पेशल स्टाफ की तरफ से ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, ऑल द बेस्ट, यू हैव डन वेरी गुड जॉब। शुभकामनाओं के साथ सेफ रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए। हिप हिप हुर्रे।
Good morning and a very warm welcome to the parents and students of Special Wing AFGGI to the prize distribution ceremony for the academic year 2019-20. Positive recognition is an excellent way to motivate progression and good behavior in students. It also increases self-confidence and offers a sense of accomplishment. Positive words go a long way in educating a child and building relationships. The ongoing pandemic has provided an opportunity to all the special needs children to adapt to online learning successfully. They participated in various online activities, celebrated functions, events, and took part in different competitions. Today, we will felicitate our young achievers on this virtual platform. Before we start, we offer our salutations to Lord Ganesha and seek his divine blessings. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha is a prayer to Lord Ganesha to remove obstacles and bless with success. Pratyush from Pre-Vocational B will now present a Ganesh Stuti.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्न कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा। ओम गणपतये नमो नमः, जय सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः, अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बप्पा मोरया। ओम गणपते नमो नमः, जय सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः, अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बप्पा मोरया। ओम गणपते नमो नमः, जय सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः, अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः, गणपति।
Thank you, Pratyush, for such a beautiful rendition of Ganesh Stuti. Now, we move on to the prize distribution ceremony. First, we have the class prize winners from each class. Winner from Primary A, Ramanjot, an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school. Winner from Primary B, Daksh Ranavat, an adorable boy who exhibits a positive attitude. Winner from Secondary A, Vedansh Arya, a sweet child with lots of interest in co-curricular activities. Winner from Secondary B, we have Yashasvi Khurana. She has shown remarkable improvement in her cognitive skills as well as in academic concepts. Winner from Secondary C, Adarsh Bharadwaj. Adarsh has a flair for music and holds many varied interests. From Pre-Vocational A, we have Ayush Sharma. He uses his instincts to deal with matters independently and in a positive way. Prize winner from Pre-Vocational B, we have Viraj Kapoor. Viraj is focused in class and willingly participates in group work and has shown remarkable improvement. Winner from Pre-Vocational C, Abhinav Sharma, a very energetic boy who readily understands new concepts and ideas and displays self-discipline. Heartiest congratulations to all class prize winners. As we all know, dance has no barriers. It is something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. We now have with us Hargun from Pre-Vocational C with her delightful dance performance. That was a great performance indeed. We now move forward with the next category of award ceremony. Best All-Rounder Trophy goes to our dance performer Hargun Kaur. Best Creative Student trophy is backed by Pratyush. He always strives to reach his full potential and is committed to doing his best. TechWiz of the Year trophy is awarded to Satvik Sharma. Satvik works on Awaaz app. He creates impressive home projects and has vibrant imagination. Best Student in co-curricular activities goes to Manya Valecha. She always appears ready and shows enthusiasm for classroom activities. Our next category of awards includes Best Handwriting Award, which goes to Samyak Chibbar, a child with very positive outlook and attitude in the classroom. Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi award goes to none other than Jaipreet. He is committed to doing his best and seeks new challenges. Best Expressive Student through Eyes and Smile prize is backed by Atharv Midha. He is very cheerful boy with a bright smile which makes everyone happy. Best Well-Groomed Student award goes to Laksharaj. He is a child with pleasing personality, always neatly and well dressed. Best Student in Self-Care Skills is Karan Tanwar, a foodie at heart who always works in an organized manner. Best Expressive Verbal Student prize goes to Arnav Kumar. He has a well-developed vocabulary and expresses his ideas clearly. Congratulations to all the students. Working together and seeing such wonderful result is extraordinarily amazing. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Executive Director, Wing Commander Madhu Sengar Ma'am, our Principal, Mrs. Poonam S. Rampal Ma'am, our Headmaster Special Wing, Mr. Amresh Chandra Sir, for being our continuous guide and mentor. Sincere thanks to all the parents for their constant support. My fellow colleagues for helping me in compiling this ceremony and putting in all the hard work. In the end, a big thank you to all for making this virtual ceremony a success. Thank you.